So I'm going to show you the new two-piece carpet brush and also the carpet comb. Now that's two pieces, it will come in a very, very compact box like this. Very light. The carpet brush is only 3 pounds. So how do we put together? Let's get into that. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to be using the carpet brush, but the comb is set up the exact same way. So it's going to come in this packaging, and let's go ahead and open up the packaging and we'll see everything that's in there. So you're going to get the 18-inch head, whether it's the brush or comb. You're going to get the bottom part of the pole right here. Now this is a solid wood pole, heavy duty bracket system, and you can see it's integrated into the pole itself, so this does not loosen up. This nice long sleeve, just over 5-inch sleeve here, and then you have the top part of the pole, place to hang it to, and you'll have hardware for the head, and then you'll have hardware for the sleeve, so barrel nut, screw, lock washer. Okay, so what I find the easiest is putting the head on first, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're going to need an adjustable wrench, and take your head, the side with the squares on it, that's going to match up to your carriage bolts. So what I do is I drop my carriage bolts in first, and you can pretty much just hold those in place. Okay, and just get your nut started, and then the carriage bolt should hold the other one. Get that started, and now we just tighten it up with the adjustable wrench. All right, with the head secure, we're ready to put on the top part of the handle, and that's where we'll use the rest of the hardware. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So the easiest thing to do is set that on the ground, put our top pole right in there, and just make sure that you're lining up the hole correctly, and we'll put our barrel nut in. And then on the back side, we're going to put the screw on, our lock washer onto the screw. Go ahead and get that started. And then to tighten it up, we're going to need a 4mm hex wrench. 1 is fine, 2 works great if you have it. And I just tighten until the lock washer compresses, and that's all you need. And let's take a look at the finished product. Okay, there's a finished product. Very sturdy handle, no wiggle on the head, no wiggle in the handle either. So very strong. So there you go. Let's go out there and put the hurt to dirt.